let's learn about our reports that will help you find out more about your customers. You will see again that we have a lot of incredible reports that you can get insight into your customers, but we're going to focus on a few main ones in today's session. The Client Overview Report. So this gives you crucial visibility over your clients and where they're at in their client experience with your business. On top of general client information, it's great for identifying new or valued clients, finding clients who've been absent, filtering target groups for marketing, and exporting client lists for you to use in your marketing. You can customize which columns you'd like to see and like to report on. So click Edit Columns to see all available options. Select the option you would like to see. Unselect an option to remove it from the report. Select Update to see your customized report. Some columns have additional filters that you can add. For example, the ability to filter by whether a client is marked as a VIP or not. Select Filter at the top of the report. Apply any filters that you would like and select Update. By default, all reports will be sorted by client name in alphabetical order. However, you can choose to sort your data by any column. Hover over your mouse and use the column title and click the arrow that will appear next to it. Your data will be sorted from top to bottom. Now, if you click the arrow a second time, the data will switch to be sorted from the bottom to top. If you want to keep the columns, filters, and sort settings you've selected, simply save the URL or bookmark the report. And you can export your report also as a CSV document. To do that, select Export from the top of the page and select Export as CSV, and you're automatically going to download your report. Once you have your CSV file, you can use it in any spreadsheet or computer program. There are 3 individual reports that I want to show you. So there's the customer packages, and you can view a list of all of the customers who have been issued a package within a specific time period with the customer package details. This will include the detail of the package issued, the date of expiry, the status, price and payment status, and how many visits are available or have been redeemed. The customer gift vouchers report, so you can also view a list of all of the gift vouchers that have been issued in the selected period. This will show the customer who purchased the voucher, the recipient, the name of the voucher, the value, and how much has been redeemed or is outstanding. And the customer credit report, so you can view a list of credit that has been issued in that selected time period. This will show the customer who has been issued the credit, the value, expiry date, and how much has been redeemed or outstanding. Now, Timely's customer absent list report, it's a great way to turn those dormant customers back into paying customers. With this report, you can find which of your customers have been into the salon since a specific date. And this gives you a great reason to contact them to see if they'd like a new appointment. We've also got a duplicate customer list report. Now, running the duplicate customer list report will help you find those customer records that you may have a double up on. And you can then use the Merge feature under the Customers tab to tidy up your database. You can also see a list of all of your deleted customers and restore any as requested.